What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kxng, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We have this box here. I've been waiting on for the past 2.5 months. Finally came in earlier this week, and we have a smaller box. If y'all can guess what's inside of there. So without further ado, let's get to opening some boxes. Start off with the smaller box. Now this is something that I ordered again about a month, maybe 2 months ago. But it just takes stuff forever to ship through here. So again, living in Japan, I ordered this from the MLB shop, and it had to ship FedEx. FedEx doesn't ship here, so once it got to the coast, it shipped over to USPS, and then it shipped back to Chicago from LA, and then it got shipped over. So it took it a while to get here. So I already have some of these, but they only shipped me one, so I'm still missing one. But I got the Black Fear of God hat. Came out with the Essentials line. Now if you've seen my older videos, you know I already have one of these in the same size, but I bought another one. Reason being that my youngest daughter decided she wanted to chew on this part right here, so the metal button is exposed. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do and start bending these brims. I don't wear the straight brim, so you just take it around the edge, fold it in. See how it curves? Just do that all the way around. And it'll be a good fit, I bet. I've already worn these, so I already know what size I need in the hat. You'll see I got that curve there now. But I love this hat. It's probably my favorite hat. I wear it all the time. You got your F there for the Fear of God. And on the side, New Era. And then of course, your MLB logo on the back. If you look on the inside, that Essentials Fear of God stamp. Yeah, just really great hat, easy to wear with everything, with it being just plain black and white. And like I said before, stickers gotta come off. So was supposed to get a royal blue one in the box also, not sure where that one's at, so I might have to hit them up and see what's going on with that. But without further ado, my big box, the one I'm really excited about. Again, I ordered these about 2.5 months ago. It was a pre-order. Had to wait for them to get made and then shipped over. So the real story behind it is these shoes dropped from the brand Collegium, and they sold out instantly. I don't think they had any other release that I know of that did that, to where as soon as I logged on the website, it was already gone before the time that they were actually supposed to drop. It was that polarized over the internet. I saw them on nicekicks.com, a couple other different websites. Now with that, on Instagram, a couple people hit up the brand. I left a comment on the page and they responded pretty quickly. So that evening, they actually reposted the shoes and did a pre-order. So you were able to reserve either one or both pairs of the shoes. They remade them, sent them out to everybody. So thank y'all, Nick and your team, for doing that. This is probably my favorite shoe, the one I've been waiting on the longest colorway to be made. But let's get started and see what we got. So again, that white and gold box y'all come to know and love on my channel so well. Y'all see the label. Which ones are these? These are the black and red. So called the Bred colorway. They'll look familiar in a minute. So they come with 3 laces. You got your white, your red, and then like your vintage colorway here. You got that black and gold dust bag. I haven't opened these until now, so y'all seen them as I see them, and they look amazing. So happy to finally get these in hand. Y'all see this? The Collegium Black and Red colorway. Look like Bred ones, right? But these are way better than Bred ones, in my opinion. Don't roast me too much. So got the Collegium tag there. your Collegium heel stamp, wraparound laces. Just look at that leather. Super soft. Can't wait to put these on. As always, you got your size stamp here on the tongue. So as always, I got my 44 EU size. Man, these are beautiful. I'll probably throw these on feet today, honestly. I can't wait to wear these. I had a pair of Bred ones a couple years ago, and I sold them to a friend. He really wanted them, so this is a nice, very welcomed addition to the sneaker collection now. Set these off to the side. Let's go ahead and open this other box. So of course, again, you already know the brand. Here's that label. This is going to be the black and blue colorway. So you can already guess which one that's going to be. So you got your white laces and this kind of off blue faded color. I really like these. And then same vintage laces. Got your black and gold dust bag. And then you got your Royal. I never owned a pair of Jordan 1 Royal, so this is a very nice alternative in my opinion. Again, these shoes, Collegiums, are running you about $250. So I did pay about $500 to get both. But in my opinion, it was well worth it. Don't think they're planning to re-release these again. They might do small drops here and there. You'll have to take that up with the brand on their Instagram. But man, for everybody that was able to get these, I know they're happy. For those that missed out, I'm very sorry that you weren't able to grab a pair of these, because these are amazing in hand. Leather is super soft. Team, y'all killed this. Size 44. And let you get a look at both of them. So again, you got that kind of nylon-ish tongue, but everything else is that super soft leather. And again, this was a pre-order, so you're able to place it. They sent it to their factory in Italy, made them, and then they air shipped them. So that way they got them about a month earlier than they were supposed to. Again, no complaints on my end. The thing I love about these is you see that sole? It's not a white sole like you'll find on the Bred ones or the Royal ones. It's more of a faded vintage colorway. And these laces, might swap out the laces though and find some leather, some black leather laces. I think that'd be pretty cool. But what do y'all think of these shoes? Let me know down in the comment section. Did you miss out? Were you able to grab you a pair? What do you think?